All right, good evening and welcome to the end of the review for today. And today we do the recording a little bit late. That's the heads up right there. That's the disclosure right there. But anyway, is Monday, October 14th, and this week we don't have any huge impact news or medium impact news. This week are quiet right there. So we are in the week of 42. Is that right? 42. Yeah. So we are in week 42 of the last quarter of the year 2024. So week 42 and the earning season started. The reporting for the quarter 3 right there. When we have a starting of the quarter 4, you're going to see the report for quarter 3. All right, and FAT meeting will not be in this month, but will be next month. And then we're looking for at the end of this month, we're looking for the GDP data on Thursday, October 30th, and then on Friday will be October 31st for PCA data. Right here, so we're looking for right there. Yeah, so 30 and 31st, not will be Wednesday and Thursday, not Thursday and Friday. If they are Friday, then it will go on Friday. But if the last week of the month doesn't have Friday, so it's gonna release on Thursday. So that's the deal right there for the BCH data and GPA data. So basically for this month, after the CPI last week, then we don't have much, the news, high impact news for this month, for the man of the month. All right, let's go to see how the price action happened today. So let's see, on Sunday we see some kind of setup on Sunday, right? So here's we see after the markets close on Friday, and we see right here, we see a short setup right here. We need to try the short right here. Let's take a look. So here's the right up we have for the trade. So you look at when it closed on Friday, right? So we see that this is the expansion, and then you have a retracement here. A retracement, expansion, retracement. So basically it's a retracement, but it's too late right there. And then you have expansion, which is a buy side period right there, and then you have a reversal. So right here we anticipate that it's gonna make a second leg down. It will not reverse from here because it just come out from reverse. It will not gonna reverse right away. So that is the ICT price delivery model that we try to learn and implement in our trading. Yeah, here's the ICT price delivery model that we are trying to implement right there. Basically everything start with consolidation, and you go to expansion go to retracement, and retracement can go a leg up, a neck leg up, leg leg down, or it can turn into reversal. When it goes to reversal, it can go back to consolidation. It will not gonna reverse right away because it doesn't have liquidity. It liquidity. So the whole idea right there, when it's reversed right here, reversal right here, it will not reverse from here. So basically, it not gonna you're not gonna give back here. So it's gonna be the second next leg down after this. So, and we already see that it is a control right here. We treat at a retracement or consolidation. It's gonna make leg down. So that is the reason we took the trade. We short them right here. All right, we short on Monday evening. On Monday evening. Yeah, right there. So we saw them right there, and it go into our favor, into our direction right there. But the question is, where is the right target? So basically, we put our target all the way down here at 58.45. Let's take a look at on the charts. Where's that? So all right, so we look there. So we put our target down here below the New York PM section right there, but it did not. You see that it only hit at leg level. You see the range right there. So we have to define the right targets. Yep. So, but it's a good experiment for us right there. We try to read the direction of market. So right there, yet it would create, it would hit, it would choose this target, then it hit this target at, at the close of Asia section right there. But the target we aimed here, it didn't hit it. So that is the trade we took, another experience trade we try to read the markets. Yeah, it make the second leg down, you see that, but the target is not where we want to. So direction by us, we kind of get it right there. So that's the thing that we want to share right there. All right, now go into the open. All right, here's what we see in the open. So right before the open at 8:30, we see this one, which is today. Yeah, we saw the retracement right here, and we saw a I think that was the recording. The tape is easier to see. Yeah, here's the recording that we just replaced. So basically, right here, when it before 9:30 open, what do we see right here? So like we are now we see let's look what our mindset right there. So we took the screenshot before the open. So basically, you see that in the daily time frame, it broke out this range. So it's gonna make a second leg up right there. You see that? Reversal, go to retracement, and it's gonna be boom, next leg up. So we are in the bullish direction right there. And here's what our analyze. So basically, we see that retracement right there. So it's reversal, and then it goes to consolidation, and then we see that expansion in the London, and right here also the expansion, and then we see the retracement, and we see a little bit right here is also expansion. So we anticipate right here it's gonna be retracement. Right, you see it right both the PM, New York PM section and the London. So we want to see the double buy side liquid right there here, and it's gonna reverse. That's we anticipate it's gonna be reversal or reverse right there. So that's its our whole idea when we go into the the 9:30. And here's at 9:30 we see that that is really expansion right there. So right, retracement and expansion. So we anticipate that it's gonna reverse they're gonna reverse here. So what we say reversal right there at 9:30. It's gonna be reversed because it's after retracement, but actually it's gonna be retracement or reverse. Reverse in this case it not correct. So let's see how, you know, what a lesson we learned right there. So see right here. So we anticipate that, okay, so you see that if you look at this, you can see that it break and test from above and break, you know, reverses. So it's type 1 right there. We did go and short at 9:30, but it flipped. Right, so now we see that, okay, retracement and then expansion, retracement is gonna be another expansion move, right? So at first we thought that it's gonna be reversal, but it not. It have to be right here. It not only reversal, it have to be either retracement. It have to be retracement or reversal. It's not always, you know, reversal. Because if we look right here, after expansion, it can go to retracement or reversal. In this case, it goes to retracement, and you can see that it flipped right there at the 9:30 instead of, you know, retracement. It flipped. It make a huge upper there. Yes, it flipped right there. For the other day, we're gonna switch and we go long, but this morning we kind of, you know, chill out a little bit. We not chase them, so we just let it run. So that's the reason we don't flip. We surprise ourselves also, because normally we took the trade, we short them, but if we see the market flip, then we follow the markets. But for this morning, we didn't do that. We just chill out. We just let watch, see how it play out. Because, you know, it's very crazy because it keep going up. We don't know when it's gonna end. So it's kind of you know, not sure, right? We're not sure. So that we seek out on this huge move right there. But let's look at the trade when we took the short trade. So here the short trade, we try to trade there. We anticipate, okay, it break, and then it take the buy side liquidity, so then it's gonna be a short setup. So that's a little bit early gamble right there, but it's okay. Yes, you see the flip right there at 9:30. Yes, 9:30 is supposed to be follow up, but it did not follow up. Yeah, it flipped right there. You see that? It followed, but then it got flipped. 9:30 right there. We thought that, wow, it's gonna be a huge liquidity out here. You know, who thought that it's gonna be flipped? But anyway, it flipped on us. You see that? And we get kind of frozen. We don't know what to do. Right? If it flip, we need to flip right there, because you never know how much the upside gonna go. You have to take a change right there. Boom, right? And we make the whole thing right there. See that? We make the whole run right there. Yeah. So yes, that is the trade that well, we make that trade right there. We go short, but if the market flip, we have to flip. That's the whole idea, that unless the market show us what to do. And you can see the similar pattern between today and on Friday. Basically, it's a huge rally day. So on this day, basically we call it let the winner run. So on a day like this, we need to get let the winner run. You see that? It run huge. Yeah, let it run. Keep running. Yeah, let it run. It run all the way, almost all the end. You see that? So let the winner run. That's exactly the day for today. Same for yesterday. If we look at the chart, you can see that today, if we go, anyone who go in at 9:30, we let it run all the way up to the close. It never let it down at all. I mean, the same right here, similar right here. Oh yeah. Yeah, so the same like yesterday, you let it run. Today the same. But the tricky is that yesterday it started in the range. See that? The London is still in the range of the New York PM section, and then it make a expansion, retracement, and then boom, expansion. But today, yeah, I think it pretty much the same. The London still in the range, and then it broke out that range, and then it retraced. And let's see. Yeah, but pretty much the right before 9:30, it's still in the London range and the PM range. But today before 9:30, it's already broke out of the London and the PM right there. You see that? Make a retracement right there. Boom. So those just a little bit different, but the common theme is that it's a rally day. Let the winner run right there. Today and yesterday. I mean, not yesterday, Friday. Pretty much the same pattern right there. All right, if we miss the entry right here, not much we can do around here. If we anticipate, we should go in and go long when we see the opportunity. Actually, we did short some of it and we saw flip right there. That's a lesson we need to learn. As soon as we saw it's a flip, we have to go long because the hill run right here. But that's different right here. Normally, after we see the hill run, we're gonna see that it make a retracement. But here it make another expansion, very tiny expansion right there after the hill run right here. It make expansion and then a retracement 1, 2 right there, and boom, it go and rate this high or this bicycle liquidity again, and then boom, it retracement and make like up again and retracement like up. It keep climbing. So whoever is short gonna be big trouble with this short right here at the end. This trade when we see the fluff, and we got a little bit profits right there at the end. Yeah, let's take a look at that trade real quick. Yeah, here the trade we took almost at the end. Yeah, the 10 minutes before it's closed. So let's increase the speed a little bit. Yes, as soon as we saw that it got rejection right there, HB, you're gonna see that in the tab right there. At the end, you're gonna see, right? Boom, see that? And then you see it's all of a sudden it flipped. Boom, you see that there? Yeah, and then you see flip right there. Yeah, you see that? We thought it gonna flip. Boom, and then it gonna flip. Yeah, you see that? The reaction it flip right there. And that's where we're going. and we aim just the low of this candle range right there. See that? And let's see if we hit that target first. Yeah, we move the target right there at this candle low right there. Let's fast forward a little bit. So we decide to, yeah, we change our mind right there. We keep move back and forth. Yeah, at one point we a little bit get nervous right there. But yes, at the end it did hit our target very nice right there at the level of 07 right there. Yep. So the short opportunity is always at the end right there. Other than that, we don't see any setup for breakout at all. Right here, you have a little bit right here. Right, we test from below, break and reverse. Really short right here, but we couldn't go much longer because it's the prior jumping and buy retracement right there. But we do see a setup right here. This is a 4 breakout type 2 right there. Test and break and reverse. That is type 2 reversal right there. Yeah, here's our setup. We always try to refer back to here. So basically it's test from type 2 right here, reversal. Test from below, break and reverse. That what we saw right here. Right? Test from below, break and reverse. Really short right here, but this one, it doesn't go any further down. So it's not real opportunity for us at all. Let me see, let's take a look how we trade this one at 10:45. Yeah, here's the trade we took at around 10:45 right there. We see the setup right there. Break and then test from below and then break and reverse type 2 right there. So we engaged right there, but it didn't go much further than we anticipate. Yeah, so it's not follow-ups at all. So I think our target had to be the low of this candle. We put target too low, it didn't read it. So we should good when it go out right there. See that? So we should aim for the low of this candle right there. It couldn't go after this level. It just reverse back right there. See that? At one point it give us that much of profit. We should take that and right there and close the trade. But anyway, it reversed back. So yeah, we take all the profits, I guess. Yeah, we sell 10 and then we remain one contract right there. Yeah, I think we close that. And then I think we jump in and short them. Yeah, we short them again. That's the real opportunity we have. It's right there. Yeah, I think we go long. Yeah, after we see that right here, we should go long right there. So the only real opportunity we have right for short right there. And then at the end also, that's the real opportunity we have for today. If we want to short, but if we make this long, then not much we can do for today. Yeah, it's one of the day that we have to be patient with ourselves and be patient with the market. That's it. I think that's it for today. We keep it short for today. Thank you for your time and interest. We're always grateful for the opportunity, and we do what we love. Then success is coming our way. So day by day, little by little, we're getting better and better. Have a great evening, and see you tomorrow.